Hi guys. So today I'm very excited to talk to you all. Um, this is about sharing my own experience. This what you see here is a blackboard drawing, which I started doing today. Today was my first class for this. So this was a very new experience for me, and today's talk is about this. Generally, what I want to talk about is that generally some of the people, and mostly because I have females as friends who are either stay-at-home moms and all, or even students, they sometimes we feel too much overwhelmed by our feelings, and हम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अरे ये कैसे हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, उसने ये क्यों बोल दिया, या वो जो उस टाइम पे हुआ था उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला, उसका मतलब ये होगा. वी गो इन टू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ थिंकिंग, एनालिसिस, feeling low, thinking where our future is going and everything. And of course, to deal with it, we do a lot of things. Like I do a lot of things. So from past few months since the corona happened, of course I was feeling very happy at times. This was a time when बहुत सारी चीज़ें ज़ूम कॉल पे आ गई हैं, एंड मैनी कोर्सेज वर अवेलेबल फॉर मी, एंड मैनी थिंग्स वर वेरी पॉसिबल फॉर मी. सो ऑफकोर्स मैं मेडिटेशन तो कर ही रही थी, और नई पॉसिबिलिटीज़ जिनको जो मैं देख पा रही थी वो ये था कि सुबह के टाइम ज़्यादा सड़क पे भीड़ नहीं होती है, तो आई कुड साइकिल एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो साइकिलिंग करना तो मैंने अभी शुरू नहीं किया, साइकिल ऑर्डर नहीं किया, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें करी, और वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए उस दिन के लिए अच्छा फ़ील कराती हैं, या थोड़े दिन के लिए अच्छा फ़ील कराती हैं. या मेडिटेशन आपको सिखाता है कि लोगों के साथ ज़्यादा जजमेंट नहीं करना है, एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. सो वो सारा चीज़ें जो हैं वो अपनी पर्सनालिटी को चेंज करने के लिए है. लेकिन टुडे व्हाट आई ट्राइड इज़ कि I got into this course which was about drawing. So this is like blackboard drawing, which I did with soft pastels, which are like chalks, which has color in it. And this today was my first class for this, and I thoroughly enjoyed. It was a 2-hour session, और बीच में तो मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अरे the instructor was very straightforward and very fast, and perhaps she has achieved few goals in her life, so she was not into too much of delving into emotions and trying to make other people comfortable or looking at the perspective and other things. Of course, there can be a positive side to it and a negative side to it, but for me it was like we are here for work, we are here for one particular purpose, and that kind of rigor which the women or people who are in a slow paced life or a relaxed life or a casual thing, either stay at home moms or students who are studying the same thing for long time, it really worked for me. She was a very contradictory personality to what I generally come across as a very emotional and considering the other person's point of view kind of a person, and delving into emotions and all that. So rigorously working first, so we practice these strokes, and then we practice the grid, and of course she kept telling us about where it is used, the cartoon is used, so that information was also very interesting, and how colors can be mixed. So what I'm trying to arrive at is that trying something absolutely new, completely new, like you might be drawing already, then you could try something which you haven't done but you would have always liked to do. And so I feel it doesn't cost much, it could cost you, like if you get into a course which is like a 4 week 6 weeks course, and you learn a new skill. Like 2-3 days back I was looking for, there was a course where they were doing number of sessions, and they would teach so they had different things, they had drawings of different kinds which they would teach over a period of time. So you might not be interested in drawing, as in you might be a different person and might be interested in, say, something to do with sports like dribbling or juggling a ball. So in our country these things are really peripheral, and you see in European countries a truck driver or a taxi driver has a very interesting hobby also, like jumping, or free jumping, or juggling the balls, or something of that sort. uh, so I feel that we that really, is learning something new, which really challenges you, and it just solves all your feeling kind of things in a minute. What all those sharings, all those philosophies, all those things could have handled to a certain extent but couldn't sustain. Learning a new skill which is of interest to you, there you see a new you, and you find, and of course you meet new people also. Even online you see a different kind of people. And learning from YouTube is different from my perspective, but getting into a course is really, really nice. You feel like I really enjoyed, what was good about my school time was learning part of it. That I learned in Sanskrit, I learned philosophy. In Hindi, I learned the story and the emotion kind of thing. In maths, I learned the logical thinking. So I really like that student life. I think we can all bring that learning back, and if we become a lifelong learners, अगर हम सारी ज़िंदगी ऐसा लर्नर वाला मोड में रहें, of course I think the other task becomes very easy. All the other tasks that we do, we can do very very lightly. So this is my emotion, and this is my experience that I wanted to share with you. And I hope you get a drift of it, you get the gist of it, and you'll benefit from it, and it would open up something new for you. And it would be lovely if it could bring change in even one or two people's life. So I'll just sign off now, and it was lovely talking to you all. And if you like the channel, please do like it and share it with your friends and subscribe it. Bye bye.